Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and have a look at the Sennheiser wireless microphone system, and the model name is EW112p, and this is a wireless microphone system, and we'll be doing the unboxing and also show you the sample sound test and in what situation something like this might be beneficial. For example, right now as you can see, if I'll bring my mic, I'm using microphone that is actually attached to my mixer. But again, you can't use this when you're moving around or in other situation. In those situations, this might be helpful. So let's do the unboxing and let's do some test with this one now. So guys, this is the box, and I purchased this one in Dubai when I was in Dubai, and this comes in actually a variety of models. I opted the one with the lavalier mic, that is the P G3 model. This comes with the lavalier mic. It also comes with a traditional microphone if you want, and also another accessory kit that we have. So this is the PG3 that I had purchased. So let's look at it. And this is these mics, Sennheisers are the leaders, and these are sort of expensive. The price in US dollars is about $600 US, and as you can see, this is the model that is EW112p G3. And in US it's about about $600 US. In Dubai, after tax, now we have VAT, it worked out to be around close to about 1800 dirhams after taxes and all this. So we get a huge big manual. Oh my god, I didn't expect this. It should be in multiple languages because it's just microphone. And we also get this picture perfect stereo without side effects, so some accessory and stuff. So frequency, what it works, and yeah, that's what it does. So this is what it is. So packed in this nice thermocol box. I thought we would get a case, but no, we're not getting a case. So we get two units. One is a transmitter and one is a receiver. So two we get, and they work obviously over batteries. We have displays over there. So this says mic and line, and obviously this is just the audio out that will go into your cameras or your audio recording devices. We'll come back to this later. We also get two batteries bundled. These are AA batteries. I've heard that rechargeable batteries also you can use, particularly Aniloops work very well. So this is another cable that we get. So this actually has the lapel mic. I wanted the lapel version, so this has the lapel mic. As you can see, this is the lavalier microphone that we are getting with this one, and this is the cable. And this has the other accessories for the lapel mic, the windscreen guard and the collar mic. Let me open that. Securely attaches, and this is a mini wind guard that goes over here. So this is the lapel mic attached. I'm not very sure how well this will mask wind, but we will see that. Maybe I'll have to opt for third party. And these are the belt clips. We can also mount it over the camera hot shoe, so we have that option that is bundled. And we are also getting an XLR cable with this one. If you have audio recorder, it might have an XLR input, so it is giving an XLR input, but I mostly will be using it directly attaching it to my camera, so I'll be using this cable for that. So this will actually go into this like this, and it's a screw type, so you just screw it in like this, and this will go into the mic input of my camera. Obviously the other unit, this is where the lavalier mic will go in, and you have to open this and put in your batteries, two in this, two in that, and the power on off switch is over here, and you can set the frequencies. So let me actually do that and then I'll come. So I've just put in the batteries, and you have a display over here, and you also have a mute switch over here. You have to toggle it for that, and for the power on and off, you have to use it like this. And yeah, as you can see, you get the display over here. It shows you the frequency, the battery status over here, and if we are peaking it with for example, if I'm going to talk loud, it's going to peak, so you know that it is speaking. So you can adjust your gain if you want. So that's what it is. Now and this body is actually made up of metal. That's a good thing. This is just plastic, this outer case, but it's a very high quality plastic that you are getting. Same thing for even this one. And before I show you the test, another thing is that you're not restricted to just this lapel mic. This is a standard lapel mic mount. So if you have any other lapel mics, you can just use it with this microphone. If you don't like the pickup of the supplied lapel mic that Sennheiser is actually giving. Now let's do some test and see how well it sounds. So now the audio that you're hearing is being transmitted via this Sennheiser microphone, and I'm using this lapel mic. Another thing that I've noticed is that the wire is long enough, so you can easily tuck this behind your talent, so it is sort of hidden. And the advantage of a wireless microphone is that you can move around and the audio quality won't degrade. For example, I'm moving away from the camera, and then also the audio should not degrade. And let me actually show you again, this wireless microphone is not the ideal in every situation. Now I'll switch the audio playback to this Spark digital microphone that is attached to a mixer, and this is the audio quality you can get with a good condenser microphone. But the disadvantage is that the talent should be near this fixed microphone like this. If you move around, for example, if I move around now with that microphone, that Spark microphone, the audio quality has degraded. Now I'll switch back to this microphone, and even though I'm back from the camera, the audio quality should be the same. So again, if you are using a camera and your subject is not moving a lot, you can get away with stuff like this. But if your talent is moving around, then it's a good idea to use a lapel microphone. Now what we'll do is, let's just go to my roof garden, and there we'll test this microphone and see how well it does and how good is it in ambient noise and wind. So let's test that. So guys, I'm out in my roof garden. As you can see, it's connected to the microphone. What I'll do is, now I'll just move out a little bit, and the audio quality should not degrade. There is slight wind, it's not very windy. So this is the advantage that you can do. I'm not zooming in the camera or doing anything. I'm almost about 20 feet away from the camera. Actually, this wireless microphone should work easily about 100 to 150 feet away from the talent also. So this is the advantage that you would get if you're using a lapel microphone, wireless microphone. So this should give you an idea how is the audio quality outdoors. And yeah, there are, as I mentioned earlier also, you can actually change this lapel mic to even higher quality once and just connect to the transmitter if you want. So that option is there. But this was a very quick test of the Sennheiser wireless microphone. Do let me know in the YouTube comment section what do you feel about this. I am not going to give a rating to this as of now, because I've just started using this. I've heard that the battery lasts for about 8-9 hours, but what I can do is, after using this for about 6 months, give you an in-depth review if you guys really want. So do let me know about the same, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video.